Good morning. Let us see the topic business trends. Under this topic, we will discuss recent trends in business system in India and top three business houses that are doing well. First of all, what do you mean by business trend? In the world of business, a trend is a pattern of gradual change in a process, output, or condition. It is an average or general tendency, and it includes three things. One is financial trend, and another one is market trend, and finally industry trends. These are the trends in the business systems in India. Recent trends in business system in India uh, are digitalization and automation, business collaboration, customer service focus, diversification, focus on R&D and innovation. Great leaders are always looking ahead, looking to see how markets or technology and consumer behavior will shift over time. A great leader also embraces the reality that things are always changing. They use it to their advantage and don't resist their change. Now we will discuss the top three business houses that are doing well in India. First one, Adani Group. The company was founded by Gautam Puri in the year 1988, which is having its headquarters in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Is an integrated infrastructure company with businesses spanning coal trading, coal mining, oil and gas exploration, ports, multimodal logistics, power generation and transmission, and gas distribution. So all of these business, power generation is having a higher revenue of about 13 billion. So this was the greatest achievement of Adani's enterprises. And the second one is HDFC, that is Housing Development Financial Corporation. It was incorporated in the year 1994 by Aditya Puri, which is registered office in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Its products and services were there are a number of products including wholesale banking, retail banking. It is very familiar to us, and treasury, auto loans, two-wheeler loans, personal loans, loans against property, consumer durable loan, lifestyle loan, and credit cards. Along with this, various digital products are PayZapp and SmartBuys. So these are the latest digitalization process they are doing, and almost they are the highest branches across the globe. The bank is also having 430,000 POS terminals, and they issued 23 million debit cards and 12 million credit cards. So this was the greatest achievement in HDFC Bank. And the third one is ITC, that Imperial Tobacco Company of India Limited. It is one of the India's foremost private sector company and diversified conglomerate with the business spanning fast moving consumer goods, that is FMCG, hotels, paperboards and packaging, agribusiness and information technology. The company is acknowledged as one of India's most valuable business corporations with a market capitalization of nearly US dollar 50 billion and a gross sales value of US dollar 10.8 billion. ITC was ranked as India's most admired company according to a survey conducted by Fortune India in association with High Group. Together with farmer and local communities, ITC has implemented large-scale interventions in climate smart and sustainable agriculture. And the company is headquartered in Kolkata, West Bengal, and it is established in 1910, in the year 1910. Now, these companies are doing well in the business uh, because they incorporated latest technologies in their businesses in order to fulfill the customer needs, and also they are getting their competitive advantages. Thank you.